All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Kilowe, and today we're going to look at price action strategy. How to identify the market with your eyes, not indicators, not robots, not anything, but how to identify the market direction with your eyes. So without wasting much of time, let's look at the market. This is V100. So let's analyze this market. First of all, the first thing you want to do is you are entering the market. The very first thing you want to do is you go to your weekly time frame. Right? Now, let me remove this indicator. Now, with the weekly time frame, you can see that the market has been a downtrend, but for some weeks now, it has been going to the upside, and price pulled down to this level. All right. Now, seen from the weekly time frame that market pushed to the upside, it has done what is called, it did double top here and also double bottom here. So let's go to the daily time frame and see. Let me remove all these things. Yesterday, I put this on the signal group that we should buy this market. The market went to the upside. I took some profit and I left the trade. Later, I discovered that the market started coming down. And when the market got to this point, you see where I took my trade. When the market got to this point, why did I take this trade? I took this trade because I have a lot of strategies I use. First of all, I will see the market from a higher time frame perspective. And then what I will do is to identify key turning points. Like here is a key turning point. All right? Here is a key turning point. This place is a key turning point. Down here is a key turning point. You need to use daily or month or weekly to identify key turning points. Weekly or daily to identify key turning points. Please, just 1 minute, 1 minute, give me 1 minute, please. All right, sorry about that break. So you need to use daily or weekly time frame to identify key turning points. You are not taking any trade except the market is on a key turning point. Like now, the reason why I placed this trade here, after the market went to the upside, all right, there was something I did here. Yesterday, I had this trend line drawn. We took that trade, we made some profit. I also dropped on the signal group. Let me come back to what I'm explaining right now. Anytime you want to place trade, if the market is not on a daily or weekly, daily is very perfect for trades to work in your direction. If you look at this play up here, this trade here, I participated in this sell also. I sold from here too. When the market was coming down, you see here, market got to this point, all right, and it did double top. Double top, yeah. Double top. Once price anytime you see a double top on a key level like this, it's a sign that the market may likely turn from there. So there are two ways you can trade the market when you get to this point. Number one, you can sell as soon as price get to this level because you have seen that it's a turning point. It's a very strong resistance level with a higher time frame, not 1 hour, not 2 hours, not all right. Look at in the past, price went to the upside and it came back to retest this particular zone. All right, it went up, it came back to retest this zone. Now, price got to this level again, and it got here, it went back, and then came back to test again. And if you see rejections coming again, once price get to this level, if you see rejection, that time you will not use daily time frame to see the rejection. Otherwise, you will enter late. So the rejections, you can see the rejection with maybe 5 minutes time frame. Once you see price get to this top place again, to see the rejection, you can buy, sell from here. Number one strategy, you can sell from here because you see a very strong double top. Or you do this, you draw this trend line here. This is another strategy. This is another strategy. I'm going to show you what I did with this strategy yesterday with a trade. Now, once you draw this trend line, if you are going to be taking this thing on a sniper, sometimes buying from here, selling from here, because these people normally take stop loss. They may take your stop loss before the market will come down. So if you are aggressive, you are going to take that risk, you can sell from here. But if you want to be a little bit conservative, you can say, okay, because of this buy up, I want this price to break this trend line and retest back to this line. And if you go to 4 hours time frame, you will see that there was actually a retest that happened there. Let me go back. Okay. Now, this place on a 5 hour, we didn't see any retest here. But ideally, let's go to 1 hour, see whether we can see a retest. When you are looking for a retest, you are not going to be using daily time frame to wait for retest. Otherwise, you enter late. Okay, even here, we are not seeing a retest on a 1 hour. Sometimes it will not happen. Sometimes it will just go down. It will just break it, and if the trend is strong, when you see a strong trend like that, once it has broken your trend line, and you see something like this, that's when you can ask, okay, you will not draw trend line like this. Right? You will not draw trend line like this. This one is too, the pullback was very aggressive. The trend was still forming. At this level, trend was still forming. But like I said, two ways to trade this market. Either you allow market to come here and then trade it from here, or you allow it to break out and retest sometime with 5 minutes time frame. When you are watching the retest, you can even watch with 5 minutes time frame. That 5 minutes time frame, you look at, if I go back to 5 minutes time frame, you will find out that there was actually a retest. Let me see if you are going to see that place on a 4 hours time frame. It's a 30 minutes time frame. Market broke out. Let's see 50 minutes. All right, look at 50 minutes here. Price actually broke out, but there was no sign. The retest didn't just happen, obviously, but yet you see that it was a near retest. But ideally the best time to take a trade is when price come back to test your trend line. All right. The best time to take a trade is when price come to take your to touch your trend line here. That's when you can even draw your trend line like this to take a trade. So let me explain this again. When you are taking a trade from here, thank God I'm not using a smaller time. When you are taking a trade from this top, when price is approaching, because you have used daily time frame to confirm that that place is giving you double top. Don't just buy, sell when price get to this level. Because with use lower time frame to see this fake breakout. See this fake breakout? Use lower time frame. Go to your lower time, like 15 minutes or even 5 minutes, to see this kind of fake breakout. The best to trade is when price gets here. Don't just with 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Be watching in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Don't just sell. You will see that the price will slightly break out of this trend, this place. When you break out, most time it will come back, it will come to the downside and then come back to retest again. Second time, with a lower time frame. Then if it shows you a candlestick like this is bearish engulfing. This candlestick is bigger than this one here. When you see bearish engulfing candlestick form in a lower time frame, that is a signal that price may likely go to the downside. That is one way of trading this kind of market. Or you just draw this trend line to this particular, this trend does it up here, this movement. If you see that the market has done this, all right, and it has got it to this place and formed a double top. You don't want to, if you want to avoid this kind of fake breakout, but here, if you use small time frame to allow the breakout to happen, let it break out. Let it break out with this. Don't use big time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, let it break out. And then you buy from this. After the breakout happens, you buy. That's when you can be the. Otherwise, if you just come here and buy, maybe put stop loss above here, it will take you. So allow the fake breakout to happen, then you sell rather. You have a good trade. Or you wait for the market to break out of this trend line and retest back to this place. You also have a good trade. Now, back to our trading. Now, the reason why I took this trade, let me zoom it a little bit. The reason why I took this trade is because of what happened here. All right? Because of what happened here. There was a time price got here and it rallied to the upside. So already, because of what has happened in the past, I said, okay, I'm going to buy this market. Because if you look at the market in a daily time frame, look at it on a daily time frame. Daily time frame shows it that this market was a downtrend, was coming down, right? But at the point, it got tired. It went up, it did an M, and then came back to test this zone. So for the market to come back to test this zone, and then it got rejected, it's a signal that most likely this market will take this, it will take these highs, all these ones, most likely to take these highs and even come to this level. Because it's a strong zone. That's why I took the trade. But I saw that I look at what happened in the past, and then it's not doing the same thing again. But I didn't take the daily time frame. I went to lower time frame. All right. I went to lower time frame also to see the direction of the market. Now, that is another way. Another way you can also trade this market is you can say, okay, let me allow the market to break out of this place. This is another strategy. So two things made me to take this trade. I also saw that the market has broken out of this my 4 hours time frame and retested here. All right. It broke out of this 4 hour time frame and retested. That is confirmation number two. First, this is a zone. Ideally, this is where to put the stop loss is under here, but I'm putting it here. This is a zone. This is confirmation number one. Confirmation number two, it has broken through my 4 hours time frame and retested here. Let me go to 1 hour. You see, once you see a price breaking out of your 4 hours time frame or daily time frame, and they come back to not 1 hour time, not 15 minutes time frame, but once price break out of your 4 hours time frame or daily, and then come back to do a retest like this, it's a signal that the price may likely go to the upside. The market may likely go to the upside. So you can see that this market here broke out of this trend line, came back for a retest. I saw this rejection here. That's why I took this trade. And you can see the trade, I'm already in profits. My stop loss is below this trend line. My stop loss is below this trend line because what? It broke out of this trend line and retested here. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm explaining. Please, if you're understanding me, can you type yes? Are you getting me? It's like I'm not making sense. Are you getting what I'm saying, please? All right. So if you are getting what I'm saying, can you type yes? All right, good. So I've shown you two ways you place a trade. Number one, when price market is on a key level, you can buy here. If you are from support, if this support here, most times when price get to this level, it will break here with a lower time frame, give you a week, for rally to the upside. That is another one. Another one, the next one is you can allow it to break your 4 hours or daily time frame. Like this one is 4 hours time frame. But there was a sell-off from here. There was a sell-off from here. So this was a 4 hours time frame. It broke out and retested here. Once that retest happened, you go to a lower time frame and then you take your trade and your trade become safer. All right. Let's see V71 1S. V71 1S. The same principles apply here. The same principle. If you look at V71 1S on a daily time frame, the market go to a key level. Yeah. This level here is a key level. When the market got to that key level, I placed this trade because I discovered that this place is a very key level. After a strong sell-off, after a strong, look at sell, strong. When you see a strong sell-off happen in this market, and then when price get to a very key support level and price did not break that place, it's a signal that the market is about to turn. All right. So this one, I took this trade because of the fact that look at here, it got here. You see how it moved. The other time it got here, it moved. This was let's start from here. This was is it September? Is it August? August 2024, price got here and it rallied to the upside. Again, price came down here again. That was the time price still got here. It broke through. This was a fake breakout. It broke out, but it rallied back to this place, retested a little bit, it went to the upside. But again, price got to the same zone. This year, is February 16. Price got here and it rallied to the upside. After massive sell-off, it got to this point and it stopped. I said, okay, this may be a trick for them to push the market to the upside again. That was why I took this trade. And you can see that this market too also is in profit. So your net profit, you can take your profit, your stop loss below. That's why it's my stop loss. It was below. The reason why I brought it to my entry because I'm already making good profit out of this trade. That's why I brought the stop loss. I brought it back to my entry point because I'm already in massive profit. That is how you trade. Look at market on a key level. Sometimes you wait for breakout and retest, but there are some I don't wait for breakout and retest. Like for instance, this jump 10 index that I just jump 75 index that I just told people to buy. Let me tell you, I look at the market on a daily time frame. All right. The reason why I gave that signal that we should buy that market. I saw that market on a daily time frame perspective, and I discovered that the market has been on a sell for some time. It has been selling. It has been selling it has been buying for some time, but when price go to a level, yeah. So I drew this trend line. I was waiting for this rejection to happen. I drew this trend line. Another way you can trade this market is once you see something like this, you go back to your 4 hours time frame. I'm going to give you 2 ways to trade this market. First one. No. First one. Price get to this level. This is a trend line. You can place a buy. That was what I did. Because I saw some rejections on a smaller time frame. You see this week, there was a rejection given week like this. So I saw that the market is already rejecting. That was why I bought the market. Hoping to take profit here. Or if you want to be patient enough, let me remove this indicator. This is a moving average. If you want to be patient enough, you allow the market to break this trend line. When you allow the market to break this trend line and retest back to this trend line, that is also very, very good to trade. In fact, that time you enter, you have more sniper entry than taking it from here. Taking it from here it pays, but it's a little bit risky. That's why sometimes I don't like to give trade like this. When I see trade like this, I like to take it by myself because if you go against me, I know that I took the risk by myself because sometimes it will move. Sometimes it will move from this trend line because this is daily time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. It's on a look at this line now. The rejection is happening because of this push here. Sometimes it moves, but sometimes you have to allow it to break out of this push down and retest. That is when you have a sniper entry and push the market to the upside. But for now, I've already taken the trade. So I have to face the consequences of taking the trade without allowing it to break my trend line. This trend line. All right? The best way to trade it here is risky, where you can come down and use a stop loss before go. The best way to trade it is to allow it to break out of this place and retest. Then you take it for a buy. But now I saw some rejections here and I'm already in the trade, though I'm in profit. I don't know if the profit has dropped, but the last time I saw it, I think I made it was quite some money. So, but it's not, you are seeing rejections coming down already. Ideally, the best way to trade this market is to allow it to break and retest it. All right. But this way is also another way you can enter the market early. You can take this market to this place, take a scalping, scalp it to here, and then take a profit and go. That is what I'm doing actually right now. So, guys, today I don't want to talk too much. I've shown you how to, analyze the market without using indicator. Is there anybody who doesn't understand what I've explained so far? Is there any question? Is there any question, Sarah? Any question? Any question? Is there anybody that doesn't understand what I've explained so far? Any question? Now, when you're watching the breakout and retest, you can watch with 15 minutes time frame. All right. You can, like now, you can watch it with the 15. If you have not entered the trade already, because I sent this signal earlier, if you have not entered the trade already, you can still wait. And they allow you to break out of this trend line and retest. Then you can be in the buy. That is a safer buy. Even if you're in profit, even if you're in profit, we are in profit now, the best way is allow you to break out and retest before you buy. So guys, this is what I have for you today. This is what you can see in the market. Go and practice it and see if it doesn't work. Use demo to practice it and then see. If you practice it, you will see that what I've explained really works. Use higher time frame to see the overall direction of the market daily, 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 to see the overall. Don't use 5 minutes, 15 minutes to see market direction. No, daily. Daily, you can see that this market has been ranging after sell-off. The market range on a daily time frame for a long time before it pushed out of this particular zone. All right. So you're only trading when market is on a key level. If either market is on a key trend line or market is on a key support level, you are not placing a trade. You're not placing a trade. You don't waste your time. Look for another pair. Don't trade except the market is on a key trend line or on a key support and resistance line. That's when you have a safe trade. If you trade when market is not on a key level, your trade is going to suffer because market will not return, to not turn. Market respects trend lines and support and resistance levels. Like now, I think it's struggling here because of this particular, this place seems to be a resistance. A minor one, do a minor one. A minor one. A minor double top, yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. What are the key levels? Key levels are turning this, use daily time frame. Key levels are support and resistance. Like here, with daily time frame, you can see that this place is a key level here. When you see market touch a particular level so many times, that is a key level. On the higher time frame, like here is a key level. Price touch a place and then go back, touch a place and then turn back. That means that that place is a level you need to take at, you need to watch. Like now, let's put our cursor here. This on a daily time frame. This place is also a key level. Yeah, it's also a key level because at the point there was a time price got here, even if it did not touch, it got here and returned. Sometimes it's not a straight line, it's a zone. So there was a time it got here, it broke out a little bit, fake breakout, went down. So here also a key level. Here is a key level too. Look at here. It got here, there was a fake breakout, but it went down. All right. This place seems to be a key level as well. That's it. Key levels are placed like, for instance, this one. This down here is a key level. Yeah, it's a key level. It's a key level because price touched here and it went down. So it means that place is a key level. That's what key level is all about. So is there any question? Any question? How do I place my stop loss and take profit? Very simple. Let's say you want to play, let's say, let me give an example. Let's say here is your key level here, and you are selling from here. If you are selling from here, your stop loss is above. When you are putting stop loss, go to lower time frame. Let me give you an example. Okay, let's use this play that is here that is playing at. Let's say you want to buy the market from here. All right. Let's say you are seeing this range that is happening, and you would like to buy the market here. You came late, you want to buy. If you are buying this market from here, you are buying this market from here, you put your stop loss. If you buy the market from here, let's say you're buying from this level here, here has to be a resistance. You look at the touches before, like now there was a touch here, there was a fake out here. So you put your stop loss below. Look at this because of this last touch. All right, because of this. So you have to put it below, a little bit below, but a lower time frame, so that your stop loss will not be too much. Please, sir, how do I see this and buy and others for the trading view? Okay, that one is you have to go to tradingview.com, go to your browser like this. Let me for you to see trading view on I think you go to your browser, try trading view Deriv. All right, try trading view Deriv. Trading view will pop up. So we're having V75 here, V25 here. So if this is not the one you want to select, you just change the one you want to select. Let's have V75. V the okay, you have to click Deriv here. You have to click Deriv here. Once you click Deriv here, you see the, all the indices that are here. This is V751S. You click it here. See that V751S is here. Time frame for our 8 hour, let's see. All right, so just go to your Google, type Deriv, trading view Deriv. You'll see that. Maybe let me go back again so you can see what I mean. Trading view. I click trading view Deriv. Once you click it, you want to change it. Make sure it's on Deriv. Click Deriv. So let's remove this one. So all the other Deriv indices, they are here. Step index, all of them, they are here. V10S is here. Look at it here. That's how you check it. All right, so let's have the training again tomorrow, same time, Nigerian time, 12 o'clock Nigerian time. Join us. Let us learn this skill. Let us master this skill. This is a skill set that if you decide to master it, it's going to pay you for the rest of your life. Don't be in a hurry to make money from this market. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. You are going to make money, but it's going to take a little while. Anything good takes time. Anything that is good takes time. You will struggle small. Be ready for that. You're going to struggle for a while. All right? You're going to struggle for a while. Be ready and be patient for that struggle to happen. When I started training, when I started learning, I didn't see Now the market, like I can analyze any market, whether forex, what is the best time to trade in it. Anytime you can trade. Not sometimes I place trade in the middle of the night. Anytime. Unlike forex that has time frame, like in the forex market, the best time to trade is New York time. Like now, New York time is the best time to trade currency pairs. Then GBP USD is um, New York time and this London time to trade currency pairs. London time you can trade GBP pairs. But for indices, you can trade anytime. So how do we get fundamental analysis of volatility? There is no fundamental analysis. The volatility analysis does not have fundamental. There is no news. There is no nothing. It's only technical analysis we use to trade this particular market. So our signal is still showing signs of going. Our signal is still giving us signs of going to the upside. We are in profit already. We are in good profit already. All right. Thank you so much, all of you coming as well. I want to once again encourage you to learn, and relearn. Learn, and relearn. Practice, practice, practice. Practice make perfect. There's nobody who came to this world with these things. Everybody just practice, practice. So you are also going to learn, and practice. You get it right. Make mistakes. Like now, I play this trade on this place. Now that I play this trade. I play this trade because price is on this key level, this trend line. And if price did not go my way, doesn't mean I'll be angry with myself. No. I'll just learn, okay, next time maybe I have to wait for this breakout and retest. But sometimes I take it from here, a sniper. Sometimes I'll have breakout and retest. So you just go and practice it and see which one is best for you. You yourself, you know what to do when you are practicing the market. So guys, thank you all for coming. I appreciate you guys. Go to the academy and watch the videos over and over. Attend our daily classes every day. That's where you, like now, you're asking questions. So it's good to attend so you can have time to ask questions. All right. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Same time, same Zoom link. Bye-bye for now.